Hey there, what's up YouTube? Kareem here, hope you all are doing fine. Hey, I was going through my stuff and I found something very interesting and I thought I should share it with you. From past few weeks I have been too lazy to clean up my studio space and I thought of clean it up. I was going through my stuff and I found something very interesting and I thought I should share it with you. So let's see what I just found out. Let me grab it. It's very interesting. So here you go. Woo! Let's talk about it. What it is or what it is not. Well, this is the Canon 80U. It's a very old camera. It's a vintage camera actually. It's a point and shoot camera, which is not a digital camera. It uses it is a real camera, and it's very interesting that I found it out. What is more interesting is that I don't even know when did Dad brought it. You know, I was a kid. I was a little kid when Dad bought it for my sister, and now I just found out that it still exists in my room. But unfortunately the battery is dead and I cannot find the battery. It's a very complex battery, you know. It's a vintage camera, so the battery is also vintage. It's a CR2 battery. It's small. Just look at the side. Precisely, it's very small battery. See, it's very small. I kind of like it, but unfortunately I cannot use it. But I wanted to share it with you. Specifications and it's very small. Like this. It uses the Canon zoom lens. It is from 38 to 80 mm. You can use it for a small wide angle, maybe. It's a viewfinder here. It's the viewfinder. Or you can use for portraits. I think it took 130 shoots per reel. And it had the small screen, the digital screen here, as you can see. It had the sports mode, the portrait mode and RT mode. I don't know what RT is, but still it was interesting. It's amazing. It's the shutter button, it's the on off button here, it's the mode and all that. It's for zoom in and zoom out. I kinda like it. It's very small and precise. It's the viewfinder here, you can see, and the Canon logo at the back. It's for thumb. You use to take your thumb at it like this. It's very precise. It's the tripod, for the tripod. And if you open it, there's a button. If you open it, it shows you the inside. As you can see, here goes the reel, the little glass. Above goes the reel and it captures the image from there. The zoom is the flashlight here. There's the viewfinder as you directly see through it. Oh, it's very amazing that I found it out, but unfortunately I cannot use it. But I will in future. I do want to use it. It's made in China, as you can see. It's made in China. It's very amazing. I like it. I just wanted to share it with So I guess this is it. I should go back to cleaning my room And if you like this video, do like and comment below if you know anything about this camera, and do subscribe for new videos, vlogs and all kind of videos that I do. Thank you. Subscribe.